Welcome to Algebra Fundamentals. In this video, we are going to explore the concept of positive slope. Specifically, we will learn how to identify lines that are rising and understand what that means mathematically. The most important rule when reading a graph is direction. Just like reading a sentence in a book, we always look at graphs from left to right. As your eyes move across the page to the right, check where the line is going. A line has a positive slope if it goes up as you move from left to right. It represents an upward trend, growth, or gain. Visually, it looks like you are moving uphill. Think about climbing a mountain. You start at the bottom and work your way up to the top. Or imagine an airplane taking off. As it moves forward, it gains altitude. These are real-world examples of a positive slope. In mathematics, we place these lines on a coordinate plane with an x-axis and a y-axis. A positive slope means that as the x values increase, the y values also increase. They move up together. To measure exactly how steep a line is, we use a formula called rise over run. The rise is how much the line goes up, and the run is how much it goes sideways. For a positive slope, both of these numbers are positive. Let's look at an example. Here, for every 2 units we move to the right, we move 2 units up. If we divide the rise of 2 by the run of 2, we get a slope of 1. This is a perfect diagonal line. Now, what if the line is steeper? In this example, for a run of 2 units, the line shoots up 4 units. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. A higher number means a steeper mountain to climb. Conversely, if the line rises slowly, the slope will be a fraction. Here, we run 2 units but only rise 1 unit. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. This line is much flatter. To wrap up, remember this checklist. Always read from left to right. If the line goes up, it is positive. The rise and run are both positive numbers. And finally, the steeper the line, the larger the slope number.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.